So this is going to be problem 5 on your worksheet. This is going to be the last example we do here of solving a right triangle where you are given a side and an angle and need to solve for another side. So once again, I've got the steps labeled at the top of the page. So grab a scrap sheet of paper, well, not a scrap sheet of paper, but take section number 5 in your worksheet and go through those steps once again for this problem. All right, so start off. Obviously, as you get more and more familiar with this, you can start leaving steps off. That's fine. But until you get comfortable with it, go ahead and keep on doing it just like we do it here. All right, so this time we've got 37 degrees. We've got 2.3 over here. So we've got some decimals. That's not going to be a problem. And we want to find ST, which is this side of the equation, or that side of the triangle, excuse me. So now we label the sides of the triangle. This is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. Which one of these functions combines opposite and hypotenuse? It's the sine. So we've got sine of 37 degrees is equal to 2.3 over x. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. And we're going to go through the same steps that we did in the last problem. We multiply both sides of the equation by x, and so we get x times sine of 37 degrees is equal to 2.3. Now to get x by itself, we're going to divide both sides by the sine of 37 degrees. So our final solution is going to be 2.3 divided by the sine of 37 degrees. So you're going to grab your scientific calculator, and we're going to calculate 2.3 divided by 37 sine. And so our answer this time, rounded to the nearest tenth, is 3.8. Okay, so that was 5 different examples where we were given one side and one angle of a right triangle and then solved for another side. So give that IXL a shot where you're going through these problems yourself. Go through these same steps, use your piece of scrap paper, write down that SOHCAHTOA every single time. Once you get used to it, you can start skipping steps. You can start looking, maybe you can just look at a triangle and come up with the equation automatically. But until you get to that point, there's no shame in going through step by step. And you're going to get to the answer you want to get to, just like we did, going through step by step in these 5 examples.